Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Logitech G304 mouse not connecting. So basically what you'll need to do is just open this compartment and you'll see this little dongle right here. So basically take it out like that, and now we'll just put it aside. Okay, now just take the battery, and this is where the most problems comes from. Okay, so the battery should go like that. The plus should be on the outside of the mouse. So just put it like that, and as you can see it works for me. But if that doesn't help you, what we'll need to what we'll need to try is basically by taking some aluminum foil and just doing a little ball or just like that, and just put it and make sure it goes vertical in there. Okay, like that. And now just put your battery, and this will help with the contact, and make sure this place is touching this little metal square. Okay, now just put this compartment back again, turn on your mouse and just plug your dongle, and you'll be good to go. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.